Hey guys, this is Agent Mindstorm, and welcome back to a Redstone tutorial. And I'm not in survival mode, just a second. So, this is a follow-up to the video, the power bar tutorial, the one down there. And so, right now I'm just gonna say, if you haven't watched the video, I'm gonna leave a little, thing you can click on the screen, right? Well, look at that. Awesome move. I'm just going to put a thing on the screen that you can click and take you to the first part of the video because that's really important. So, let's get to this tutorial as I wait for the elevator to come up so I can go on down. So, this is going to be the more complicated version of the power bar. Oh, and I am very much dying here. So, this is the power bar that I built. Ignore this big thing. Maybe I'll give a tutorial on that later. I am in the plastic texture pack. Don't be alarmed. It makes redstone super simple. Look at this. It's just literally a straight line. So, let's get right into it. So for this, we're gonna be building this version, and I'm just gonna be showing you how. So the first thing we're gonna do is grade out droppers and hoppers, and so first of all, I'm just going to do a little something. Oh, why did I switch myself to creative? I don't want to... Anyways, so with these chests, I'm going to show you how you can extend your life for your power bar. You're going to want to break this, and that should have just depowered the power bar, I guess. And then break this chest down here, and just switch them around. So make this one a hopper, and this one be a chest. And I am... Okay, and then also this hopper, make it facing into this block. There's a reason, it's so that it won't put things into the bottom. And then what we want to do is just make it a hopper like this, and a hopper like this. And then you're going to dig down under this hopper, and dig down just like this, and put another hopper here, and here, here, and then right here you want to break it, and then place a dropper facing up. Just a warning before I get too far into this, this can go wrong if, like, one block is placed wrong, so, be very careful about how you do this, and if you're in survival, I just wouldn't recommend this for survival. Sorry. Okay, so there we go. This is what you're just going to want to build, this circle of stuff. See, right down here, why do I have so many, oh! So, you're going to have to refill your chest with whatever you want to use for powering, but for now, this is, we're just not going to pay attention to that for now, because it's, you know, it's not part of what I'm showing off. And then you'll need a sticky piston and a block of redstone. So put the sticky piston here, and the redstone here. So it should be off. When this piston is powered, this one should not be powered. That's how you know it's right. And what you just want to do is put redstone here and... Nope, not there, never mind. Put it going down one and here. So, ooh. And also make it loop. No, that'll... Okay, make it loop around here. See this area? And then you can break this one, and then you can put it there. And then, it should just go, so break that, and then you'll have this. So now, what you need to test is, when you press the button in the house, first of all, you need to get out before the door closes, and then you need to make sure that this one, okay, so this one's not powered, so okay, I see what I've done wrong. Okay, so, don't follow that. That's a mess up. I need to put a thing here. So put a repeater, redstone, and a block. Just like that. So, see, that's why you have to check. And then I guess I'll just turn it off. Oh, I forgot the power bar got all messed up. Oh no. I'm messing it all up. So, right, just like that. Turn it off again. Make sure you fill your chest before you do this. And now what we need to do is fix your inventory, make sure it's all tidy, and then get this, this, and this, which is comparator, repeater, and redstone. So then put a comparator here, make it go through there, and right here, and so then just put a repeater right there, and then put a comparator right here, turn it on, and then make it loop around like this, and put a repeater right here. So now what should happen is that you can test this with a redstone block. Place a block here, and this should happen. If this does not happen, you've done something wrong again. I'm just gonna say that over and over, just to let you know this is a very difficult thing to make. So then what should happen is if you throw something in, oh well, this block's gonna mess it up, but actually, okay, so ignore this chest thing. You can't switch the chest from the hopper. I was wrong. I was so very wrong. So, then what you should see happening is when an item goes into the bottom, what should happen is, and I did that wrong again. This circuit should start going. And then when you take it out, it should stop going. So, as you can see, that works. Then what you just want to do is put redstone going like here and right here. So now what happens is an item goes in this hopper, then it powers, and now it's in this dropper. Now we want to put a comparator. So once again, fix your inventory if it's messed up. Put a comparator here, just like that. So it should be lined up with the line of 3 now. Put a block in redstone just like that. And then make it go into another comparator circuit like this. So just follow what I'm doing here and you should be fine. And then once again, just test it when you place a block. So as you can see, now if I break this, it stops. So good. So this is exactly what we need. And so now what should happen is you put an item in this. Okay, something is wrong. Maybe I need to make this a repeater. Yes, so this one needs to be a repeater right here. And then it should get transferred right back into your chest. See, just like that. So, I have no idea what just happened. And, I don't know, I am messing this up a lot. So, just don't mess with you know what? Break this comparator. How could I have forgotten redstone torches? So anyways, you're just going to want to do this and make it curve like this. So you need to make it go around and then up like this, and then up again like this, and then just make it go like this. And yes, I know you're thinking it's probably going to mess everything up. It's not. Just we're going to break this redstone for now because it will mess it up if you do that. So we're just going to place it all like this. And see, it's all messing up now. Just place blocks like this so that the redstone separates. And then you can place all your redstone back and make sure it works again. And this torch is burned out. Brilliant. So, make sure this turns on. Make sure all this turns on. Okay, so you're going to need to break this. You're going to need to make it go one higher. Like this. Place this. Then make something that goes through here, sort of like a little tunnel. And place a repeater. And more redstone. It just goes like this. And then you want to make it go out somewhere around here. It doesn't really matter where exactly. And then you just want to put all redstone everywhere. And it will combine. Once again, just place the blocks. It will fix it. See? This is why this is a tutorial. And then right where the this thing down here is, so you're gonna just want to make it go off in a square, and then put these, then put it 1 tick delay right here. I mean 2 tick. And then you just want to put a sticky piston right there with a block next to it that will push out, and you just want to put a block up and redstone so that we know it will not break, because that can happen. So now what you want to make sure is that when this gets powered, when this row gets powered, what should happen? That should go out, and then when we depowers, let's see if this works. Yes, okay, it works, and make sure that just all works right, because if it doesn't, once again, none of this will work. You need to have this exactly perfect, or else it will not work. I know that sounds really strict, but it's true. It has to be perfect. Minecraft is really finicky about this stuff. Okay, so then you're going to want to place like kind of a master piston. So you're just gonna get how close these circuits are right now. Ooh, so this back row too, you're gonna need to move it one block over, like this. I know I'm undoing a lot of what I did for the original design, but it's important that this design is perfect. So then, ouch, we need to place this, and then we just need to make a block. We just need to move this whole layer back a little bit, and it should fix it. And then break this row, just like that. Block there. And if you're wondering what all these random piston things are, these are 1-tick generators, so that this redstone quickly fires. And then, now right here, build up until you're up 4 blocks high, then break these 3, then place an upside down sticky piston, then place a block of redstone right there. It shouldn't interfere with anything else. And then what you want to do is go on this side and place a torch. Like this. And then it should power, and then it should turn this hopper off. And then you also want to place another one right over here with another torch. It should also be turning the other stuff off. So then we just want to connect these up, just like this. And just make the redstone connect up, just so, like this. And then the torch should turn off if your redstone is off. If it's not, then, well, whatever. So right down here, you're going to want to make redstone that connects into the block with the torch on it right here. What in the world? That repeater just disappeared. And so, okay, so now that should all be there. And, gosh, I am doing stuff not very well here. So then let's just keep going. Build it over the back. Make sure it doesn't connect with any other redstone. It will mess it up. And so see this redstone down here? You want to break this stuff connecting to the button, because the button's not going to be there anymore. Well, you can actually connect it to the button if you want, but this way it can just make a different thing. And then you just want to connect it up. And if it connects here, you just want to do this, because that's how it all fixes. And right there. And now it should be almost done. So, okay, so see this? Don't connect it into that block. I was wrong. You want to make it go to the thing before that block, like that. And then place redstone. First, place a block like that so it doesn't interfere. And then place one here. And then, yeah, this is annoying to try to figure out, because, so just like this, place more blocks around it. And so now that should connect right on this block to be wow, I just wasted a lot of pistons there. So let's just break all these away, because we don't need them. So you just need to get a piston and a redstone block like that, so that it just does that. You know what I mean. it just does this and that. Redstone like this, make it connect right up to this piston. I know this has a lot of of me going back and trying to fix the redstone that I messed up, but hey, I can't memorize everything. So there you go, you've connected that up, and then right for now we're just going to use this button, but I might make another video that shows how to make the payment system that I showed in the original power bar, but I don't want this to drag on too long, so then you want to also, if I can say that right, want to connect it up like this. So make your button trail, the one that you disconnected earlier, go up to another thing like this where it goes out, and then there's 2 repeaters. One of them has a piston, so this will create another one pulse generator. And then you just want it to connect right up to this piston here. And now we're going to test it and make sure it works. So what should happen is, oh wait, and I need to fill up that chest. So, okay. So this is how you fill up so I'm just, hopper, I mean. So let's just put these signs in here. Why is there a block in here? I do not know. And so now let's test it. So if I press this button, okay, first of all, something's wrong right now. Oh, so remember when we break this? Yeah, you need to power that on. So now the power bar is on, and if you're hearing noises, hear that? I'm sorry, there's no way to fix that. You will just have to deal with that annoying noise. So as you can see, the power bar is going down, and it's almost down completely. So I'm just going to clear my inventory while it goes down. So as you can see, it's still working just like before, where it goes down, and when it's out. Okay, so this is why we test. So, what went wrong? So it's off. These pistons did not go. Oh, wow. Yeah, make sure all the redstone works. And now, since it's off, you should be able to go over here and press this button. And then, as you can see, the redstone power bar starts turning back on. So it's actually really cool to watch, because it's kind of like you're charging a phone or something. But it's it's actually the lighting system for your house. And, okay, so as you can see, it's just almost powered on. Almost done. And once this is done powering on, it should be able to work. So now it's on, and now when we press the button, the lights turn on, and it works just like it's supposed to. But that isn't where the video ends. I just want to show you one last version of the power bar I made. This is called the No Redstone Edition. Yes, no redstone showing when I go in this house. I press the button, the lights turn on, the power bar starts going down. As you can see, it is going down. Isn't this awesome? I mean, seriously, a no redstone power bar. And then I can turn it off. And it's off. And I'm just going to do a little thing down here. So as you can see, just all the redstone is down underground. So that is the end of this video right here, though. So I'm just going to go up the elevator as I end. So thanks for watching, and I will see you later.